Hey family, I hope everyone is doing well. And of course, I just want to wish you a very beautiful and profitable week ahead. And yeah, this is actually a special announcement before even I continue about account management. We are closing all account management of the RIF. We want to focus 100% on NASDAQ. So, those ones who are interested in managing accounts as you learn the craft, yeah, and you want to trade, you better deposit on any broker as long as it's not the RIF synthetic indices. Then we can trade Nasdaq, and of course 50-50 profit share, you get it. Yeah, we just want to now focus and narrow our focus on Nasdaq, you get it. So it was just a small announcement, but of course a big announcement. So this is it. As you can see on a weekly time frame, this is how it's looking like. Let me first delete. Okay, let me first delete these lines. On a weekly time frame, I want to show you guys where we might be heading as Nasdaq. The entire picture, the bigger picture. So this is the bigger picture. The current price is this one here, where we stopped on a Friday night. That level, 11,899. That is actually it is a key level. Why I'm calling it a key level, because you have a touch here, which was a resistance, broken, retested. It was a support, which was not broken, then broken again, retested, broken to the upside. Then here we are. It is acting our support zone or our demand zone here at 18, 11, 1, okay, 1,11899. That is the level we are currently looking at. And of course, I can mark also two levels, another maybe level to the downside, this one here, and yeah, another one to the upside, which is here. Yeah, those are the three levels I'm looking at. Of course, we have this other level, but it has only a touch here. It's kind of a double bottom there, but I will focus on this one, the downer one, which is at 10,009 there, and the current one. Are you getting it, guys? And of course, going back to candlesticks, you will see here that we are still in a downtrend. Hope you guys understand this. We are still in a downtrend. Yeah, sorry, we are still in a downtrend. Okay, you see, this is a downtrend. So as long as you understand that you are okay, this one gives you a bigger picture. You get it? So this one gives you a bigger picture, and you see when you had this third touch, this was the first touch here around this area. Then we had this second touch. Then we had this third touch. You get it? So on this third touch, we dropped to the downside. You get it? We found a little bit of resistance as okay, support at 12,611, which was broken and later retested to the downside. But also we have found another support, which I could call resistance. Okay, it's a support, but it is resisting the price from further going down. And of course, that is what we saw when we were looking at a line chart, this level here, which is 11,899. So going down to a daily time frame, yeah, this is how it looks like on a daily time frame. I'm getting it, guys. And of course, still, if I go back to candlesticks, this is what I'm seeing. Yeah, still I will first show you that here we are in a downtrend still. You get it? So this downtrend, and this is the retest I was talking about on a weekly time frame, that we broke this level, retested it here to the upside, then to the downside. But also here where we are sitting at the current moment, I want to show you something here, that from behind, actually let me make this color, let me say another color, let me make it red, this one, to make it stand out from the rest. I don't know if that is red or not, but that's what I'm trying to mean, is that I want you to follow this line. You're going to see behind here, it has a touch here. You get it? And then let us now look at what is happening, what happened here. You see it was our support. Yeah, here it was our support, of course broken, retested. Okay, this was like a fake out the upside. Then here it was broken, retested again to the upside. Then here it has been, the price has come back to that very price, you're getting it. And and going to, okay, and of course going to candlesticks, you see that price is approaching that level, you get it, like price is trying to cross again to the upside of this level. Maybe let us go to a 4-hour to see it clearly. 4-hour brings it, might bring out this clearly. Trust that on Monday we might open by retesting a certain level, or on Monday we might buy, that is tomorrow. Okay, I'll go to line chart. I'll still mark my levels. So let me use this very red line to, okay, still it is the same line, because it has, if you can see clearly, it has a touch here, 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 and so on in the behind this side. Okay, so that's how it is. So I'll go back to candlesticks, you get it, and this is what I'm seeing. Okay, I can also put another line to the downside, which is here. Are you getting it, guys? Even this one has multiple touches, where it stopped at here. It has this one, it has a touch, it has a touch, then behind this side, you get it. So I'll first stop there, but also I can say to mark, okay, I can say to mark all the levels I'm seeing here. There is this one here, yeah, it is another level. Of course, you can see clearly that here it was a support which was later broken. Actually, this might be our sell zone, this level, which is 120.30. This one, I'm going to show you why. So this one was our support, our support, our support, our resistance. Okay, it was broken to the upside. Here it was our support, here it was our support, like that. So these levels, let me go to candlesticks and you see what I'm trying to insinuate. So this is it. I'll come and show you that we're having this channel here. Okay, this channel is on a 4-hour time frame. Remember, this one is, okay, this one is a bigger one. A bigger one is here. This one here. Are you getting it, guys? This one is a bigger one. But the one we are focusing on now, because we are not focusing on the big one, we are now focusing on this one here, which is having a touch here, here. Then here it was like a fake out. Okay, it broke out, not even a fake out, it broke out. Then when the price came back down, it fall into the very channel, the very bearish channel, which was heading to the downside. And if you can see here, it was retested. Let me show what I'm trying to mean very clearly. This is it. It had a touch here, touch there, it was broken, and when CPI dropped, we dropped again to this level, which I'm talking about. This is 120, 120. Okay, this zone, it is 120, 30, whatever it is, that one. Then it retested this very zone, you get it. Then it dropped to the downside. So when it dropped to the downside, it stopped at this level. And if you can look at it, is that this level, which is 11,785, it was rejected twice. This, I want you to look at these wicks. This is the first rejection, second rejection, and all bodies of the candle closed above it. Meaning on Monday, guys, what I'm looking for tomorrow, I'm looking at a retest at this level. I'm looking at a retest. Okay, market might push up, we don't know, but I'm looking at a retest at this level, which is 11. Let me see, which is 11,780. You get it? So if we retest this level, because I expect that maybe a 4-hour candlestick might come back, reject this zone, then we push to the upside. But also I'm saying that we might sell from here. First of all, we have this resistance, this channel which is slanting to the downside. It is a resistance here. And also we have another resistance which is 120.30. So when you do like this, you find that we have this one, this slanting, which is slanting to the downside, this channel here, it is giving us here a resistance, but also we have this resistance here. You get it? So we expect price to, on Monday, this is my analysis, my anticipation, that price is going to open and probably maybe drop down to retest one of these levels, which is 11,785. After retesting it, then we shall push to the upside. We shall buy. Then our TP, if you can hold your swing, okay, if you can hold for a few hours, maybe Monday evening, maybe Tuesday, you can hit your TP here, which is 12,000 zone. Then from here we can look for sales. You get it? Actually from here, we shall look for sales unless anything changes, because anything can come in and things change. But here we shall look for sales. You get it? Then that is 120.30. Then we drop back to the downside, because unless we break this zone, because when we break this zone, which is 120.30, then we retest it, meaning we shall have broken out of this channel which is slanting to the downside, and then we shall be heading to the upside, maybe probably to mitigate this zone, because here we look at this imbalance that was left behind by CPI. You get it? So chances are that we can break out of this area, retest it, then we go to the upside. You get it? But if that doesn't happen, then simply means that this is going to work as our sell zone or supply zone, whereby prices will reach here, reject to the downside, and we put of course our stop loss around here to protect us from being taken out. Nasdaq does a lot of stop hunt, so you put your stop loss a little bit far above certain key areas. So that is what I'm looking at. So as I close this video, let me look at 1 hour time frame. So this is what I'm looking at 1 hour. 1 hour is showing us the same thing, that okay, we broke out of this level. This was 11,785, this level here. So meaning that on Monday, tomorrow, I expect, if it doesn't break up, okay, it may jump, it might gap up because it closed up. It might gap up above 11,873 and then retest this very zone, or it can just come back a little bit down to retest this level. So to me, Monday, if this Nasdaq comes back here, 11,784, I'm going to buy and put my stop loss around this area, which is 11,670. Okay, 11,680 here. You get it? In that, if it comes back down, I won't be taken out. But if it goes up, I'll be in profit. So then, of course, I'll wait for it here and sell at this exact level, unless anything changes or comes in, or unless we close up. Remember, we only count a breakout when candles, or when, let me say, a 4-hour candle closes above a certain key zone. But as long as it leaves rejections, like you can see here, then simply means that level has been rejected. So what I'm looking at here is either rejections, or if price fails to break it to the downside. So guys, that's what I'm looking for tomorrow. This area, this is my sell zone and this is my buy zone. So we are buying to sell. Remember guys, I told you that it is an overall downtrend, and when you look on a weekly time frame, we are coming at this level, guys. This is our last level whereby we anticipate a sell, a buy at this 11,000, like the last drop, whereby we're looking at Nasdaq dropping the last price. You get it? So that's it. I will cut the video because it has been longer than expected, but still I've given some value here for both of us. Even may have learned something. I hope it will help someone here. And I will repeat, guys, account management, full 15 box me this week. We make money together. As you learn, as you make money. Thank you so much, guys. Blessings, and of course much love, and a profitable week ahead. Thank you so much.